Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today we're going to talk about the importance of warming your vehicle before you drive it. Enough can't be said about how important it is that your engine come up to operating temperature before you use it to its maximum potential. When you start your engine in the morning, let's say for example it's 50 degrees outside. Your engine is also 50 degrees. Ambient temperature 50 degrees, engine temperature 50 degrees. Your engine is not happy until it is up to 180 or almost 200 degrees. If we try to use our engine before it gets up or even close to its operating temperature, it can cause it to wear quicker, it uses more fuel, and your engine will not last as long as an engine that was allowed to warm up closer to its operating temperature. Inside the combustion chamber of this car, when we start it, the temperatures can reach as high as 2,000 to 2,500 degrees. So with that kind of temperature, it won't take very long for our engine to come up to 180 degrees. If we let our engine idle for 30 seconds before we put it in drive and take off, it gives everything a chance to start working. The oil can get up to the top of the engine, the transmission can build pressure, the torque converter can start to move, all kinds of things can happen that need to happen for this engine to work efficiently and your car to move with the best fuel economy and last the longest. And these are some of the reasons it's very important to warm up your vehicle before driving. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.